The symbol of Australia, the famous Sydney Opera House lit up with thousands of colors and lights. Moving images were projected on the building, and this magical show was watched by thousands of people. Australia's biggest festival of light, Vivid Sydney, started with fireworks over Sydney's Opera House and light installations on Friday, May 24th, as it returned for its 14th year. The Opera House was illuminated by artist Julia Gutman's retelling of the myth of Narcissus, animated using scrap fabric. The faces of climate activists from the Torres Strait Islands, which sit between Australia and Papua New Guinea, were projected onto Sydney Harbour Bridge pylons, courtesy of Tori Jane Morty's artwork.
This is my second time to witness the Vivid Sydney here in Sydney, which is the very elegant and very spectacular, which is I ever seen in my life.
Yeah, I love that. It's so alive. Like everyone's out about, like hanging out. Like yeah, it feels good.
I feel like everyone just comes out to see like all the lights and the atmosphere just before winter as well. It's nice.
Well, it's always great to see the lights and yeah, especially with this one. He loves seeing new things, so it would be great to show him around.
It's just being a tourist in your own city. That's all I'd say about it.
I guess it's a different way to see Sydney, than like coming on a usual weekend and seeing Circular Quay, having the light show.
The 2024 theme for the festival, Humanity, explores what makes us human and how we can make a better world together. Festival organizers said on their website. According to a government media release, over 3 million people attended the festival in 2023. Held over 23 days, the Vivid Festival will run from the 24th of May till the 15th of June, 2024.